Hey guys, I know I've been gone for a while, so I'm just right now kind of trying to do like a little, I don't know, I guess I'm just trying to do like a quick little self-care maintenance type of vlog. So I just thought I'd vlog. So right now what I've been doing, okay, I turn the TV down. The Tupac movie is on. So for the past few days, I've been working on doing my room, just like kind of rearranging things and trying to reorganize things a little bit, and just make it look better so that, I don't know, for filming and working on my stuff. So just a little something, just, I don't know. Yeah, so I just switched some things around. So that's basically all I'm doing. So I just came back from the store and got some things, a few things, just some self-care things. So like I'm trying to like just make my room just look cute, like cozy, a nice vibe. So my bedroom is kind of small, so I'm just kind of making it like, you know, like, okay, so you can see those curtains. I already had those purple ones, but I just got those white ones because I'm trying to like, I don't know, neutralize my room a little bit more. I still like the purple, but at the same time, like I don't want too much like purple. You know, like I like to have stuff going on, but at the same time not a lot going on. Like I like having lights and stuff, but then anyway, so I got those like they're like sheer white curtains. And I was trying to think how I want to, I don't want to take the purple ones down, so I was thinking I want to like pin them on top of the purple ones so that they're just kind of like, I don't know, you could kind of still see the purple ones through them a little bit, but they're like mainly white. I don't know. That's just what I want to do. So whatever, I got like some safety pins that I'm going to use to like get those pinned up. I'm going to pin them up there like neater and better than that. That was just to see how it looks. Okay, then I just bought some flowers. So I haven't had any flowers in a while. I like having flowers, you know, like just to have in my room. Like flowers are nice. I like flowers, you know. It's nice to just buy yourself flowers sometimes. You don't have to always wait for somebody else to buy you flowers. Just buy flowers if you want some flowers. Okay, so I just bought some flowers. So once I finish getting my room together, I'm gonna put those in a vase. I got some like, you know, those curtain fairy lights, so I think I'm gonna put those up. I was gonna put those like on this wall, like above my bed area, I guess, and have them going across this whole wall. Now you see there's like some lights right there, but they're like small, short, and I don't know, they don't have a remote. So I just got some other ones that have a remote and they're bigger and they'll fill up the wall more. So I don't know what I'm going to do with those ones, but I'm going to put the other ones up. I kind of want them to go like fill up more of the wall and stuff like that. All right. And then I went to the dollar store to look for like some containers for organizing and stuff. And I saw the balloons, and you know that I love balloons. They're just 2 stars. So I just grabbed a couple balloons. Like, why not? Like, why not? Why not? Guys. Okay. Okay, yeah, so that's, my dog is coughing. He has a kennel cough. I gotta make a video on my skincare, because as you can see, I barely have any pimples on my face. And there's like one here, and there's this here. But other than that, my face has been clearing up. Like, I have no makeup on, and my face has been so clear for the past, like, yes, I gotta show you. I gotta make a video on my skincare. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I got these curtain lights to hang up. They say they dance to your music. They come with a remote. So I was gonna hang them up probably on this wall. So I'll just take those down. They're probably gonna be hanging up going across. Yeah, so they're a little bit bigger than these lights. So yeah, I just kind of want them to go across. I hope the plug is kind of long, because this one does not have, the plug is not long, so it's like and the lights are not even like that high. So if I hang them up, like really, I'd probably want them like a little higher than that. And then like, but the plug doesn't reach, it's going to be hanging, so you need like an extension cord. It's like, why not make the plug be able to reach all the way to the floor? Because like, where are the outlets usually? They're closer to the ground, so like, duh. But anyway, yes, so yeah, so I'm gonna open them and try to hang them up right now. Okay, so I didn't realize that this thing is battery operated. I got it plugged in, so I don't know. So I don't know how's that gonna work, because if they're battery operated, then how long can you keep them on for? Because yeah, I didn't buy extra batteries, so I'm like looking for batteries now. Or should I just not use this and then try to get one that you can just plug in? I don't know. I think I'm just gonna use it. I'm just gonna hang it up anyway and see how it goes. So I got the lights up. I'm just trying to think. I don't like that the battery thing is just hanging. So I don't know if I should like tape it to the wall or something. It's like, why not make that cord longer so that it can reach the floor? I gotta go fix that piece over there, but I don't know. And maybe they'll probably, because they're all like twisted up and stuff, so I don't know if they'll like, maybe they'll fall down lower as, you know, as they've been hanging for a long time or what. Oops. Okay. Alright, so I got my vase ready. I just have this old vase that I had gotten from Valentine's Day one year. But yeah, that's what we're using. It's a lot of flowers. Hope they're not gonna be too crowded up in here. So it's like we got some carnations, there's roses. So the one bouquet had like small, like mini roses. We got mini carnations, we got daisies. And we got the red roses. I think we got some tulips that didn't bloom yet. Okay, so there's my flowers. Whoa. Okay, don't mind all the other stuff. Okay, so I sat them over here next to my bed, but I'm still working on moving stuff around and whatever. So anyways, it's late and I'm just gonna continue finishing up yeah, just finishing up my room and stuff tomorrow. I like this little cup right here. I just found it at Walmart. I thought this was cute for making my iced coffee. So I like to make iced coffee. I'll make my coffee. I just use this French press thing and then I refrigerate it. And I'll put ice in it. This is the one that I've been using. It's Dunkin' Cold Brew Hot. Brew Hot, pour over ice. I found this in the store, so I usually drink iced coffee, and this one is made for making iced coffee, but you brew it hot and then yeah, drink it cold. And I might add like a little bit of water to it because it's concentrated. Like I kind of make a lot that's concentrated, and I add like a little bit of water. I normally buy the Silk almond milk creamers or that Starbucks one. I just like something that's made with either real milk or almond milk, not like, I don't know, like artificial stuff. I don't really use the International Delight ones anymore because they're not made with, I don't know, like they don't make my coffee taste like the way it tastes when you buy it at a restaurant, you know, like at Dunkin', Starbucks, McDonald's, or whatever. But anyways, so I saw this one. The bottle is not that big, but chef inspired ice cream flavored coffee creamer. Uncle Charles brown sugar bourbon cake. So it's creamer made with real milk. So I gotta try it. Shake it. Shake it. Alright. I heard that. Alright, need a little bit more. What, Koda? Yeah, it's pretty good. Not too bad. No, I look a mess. This is good. Alright, almost forgot. Now I have to add a little whipped cream. I don't add it every day, but I just like to sometimes. Okay, so I'm in the process of making my bed. I just washed my bedding and stuff. And, yeah, so lights are good. Flowers are looking good. I'm still just kind of putting the finishing touches in the room, getting the bed together. I fixed the curtains the way I wanted them. And, yeah, so... Okay, so it's the next day. I got my iced coffee. I have a little breakfast sandwich over here that I made. Actually made my own frozen breakfast sandwiches. You know how you can buy them at the store? I just made my own because I feel like, you know, I can make more of them for less money. And like, you know, they only be coming like 4 in a box. And it'd be like almost $7 just for 4 of them. So I made my own. It's just egg, cheese, and bacon on like a croissant. I used the Pillsbury, like, you know, Pillsbury biscuits, but I used the croissant ones. And yeah, and it's good. Every time I heat it up, it tastes like it was just like fresh. So yeah. Alright, so I'm about to eat my sandwich, and then I'm going to continue doing some finishing touches on my room. I would like to get a new bed set eventually. But, I don't know. And then I kind of don't like some of these pillows anymore. Like, I kind of just want, like, I guess I just like my room to be a little bit more of like a, I don't know, like more of like a silvery, what are we going for? Silver like black. I don't know, like, you know, like most people have like the white theme, all white these days. That's what's popular. That's what a lot of girls like, is all white, which I get that. I mean, the nice all white look, I mean, and then it looks good for if you film videos in your room, because there's not a lot going on in the background, because everything is mostly white, so it doesn't, like, you know what I mean? But when you have too many colors going on, or like too many dark colors. But anyway, I'm trying to neutralize my room a little bit, like, and of course it's not gonna be like all white, but anyway, so that's why, like, I have like the gray. My bed is mostly gray, but yeah, I kind of want something more like, you kind of like more like gray, white, silver type colors for my room, with pops of purple and black, I guess, still. But most of my furniture is black, pretty much. My desk is black. I don't have like a real vanity, but these are shelves that are black. I kind of like made a DIY vanity. You know, I have these little ends. I mean, I need new furniture and stuff too eventually, but right now, like, a lot of my stuff is black. You know, like my mirror is black. I put, you know, frames. So it's like a lot of black. But then I'm trying to, like, you know, that's why I put up the curtain, you know. Now during the day you can see the purple, but that's okay, you know, it's like a lighter purple, so I like it, like, you know, it's still more neutralized a little bit more. Okay, I got like silver mirrors. I don't really feel like being seen right now. I have black, a little bit of black on my bed, but anyways, I want to get some new pillows, like throw pillows for the bed, like, so that's yeah. Right now I'm just kind of like just finishing up my room a little bit. I gotta wipe down the mirrors, and I wanted to hang this thing up. Oh, I need to get a new chair eventually too. Like, yeah, chairs are so expensive, but I definitely need a new chair. The chair is so raggedy, it's falling apart. But anyways, I want to hang this up. It's just, what is it called? The dry erase board. I've had this for a really long time. All the stuff that's written on it, I written that like a few years ago. But, you know, I need to clean that off. And I want to probably hang it like above the computer, and yeah, so I can use it to write things down that I need to do, like get done, or remind me of stuff or whatever. So yeah, my room is such a vibe right now. So yes, I got the flowers, got the lights. Koda is sitting over there being weird. I'm working. Alright, I gotta do like an Amazon finds video soon. But yeah, I'm just chilling. I'm working, editing a music video. Yeah, here's my desk. I made a desk video like a while back. And anyway, so yeah, I think it looks a little bit better now. I took more, like, I feel like, I mean, I redid my desk. Like, I bought these things, Amazon. The, what are they called? The monitor stand riser thing, so, you know, to make more room. So yes, I got like 2 monitors. I got I put like lights in the back of the desk. You know, I got my mic. I want to do some ASMR videos soon. Like, I've been trying to do like a little bit on TikTok, and I kind of feel like I want to eventually do like live, like ASMR lives on TikTok maybe. But anyway, yeah, so I mean, I feel like my desk looks a bit better now. Yeah, did I show that? I put up the dry erase board. Still got my Aaliyah box, the Aaliyah Mac collection.
Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a ooze. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a ooze. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. With the ruler, diamond cooler. This a rolling.